Hey everyone, it's Jenny. Okay, so let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so I just did the last video showing these smaller gift card holder shaker pockets or shaker envelopes, and I mentioned that I would do a video on this other sizes. So this is the standard size I've already been working on. This is the 6x8 finished size, and then you make the pocket using Disco Dolly's cool tutorial and using all your scraps. So I made quite a few again trying to use up stuff that I've had. It's also good to use up all of your sequins, right? I don't know if this is like an anagraph paper, but it's good because like I've been like trying to practice mixing, you know, stuff, and I'm just happy to be able to use it. Like this one was a kit that I bought a long time ago. I think it was like Mommy Lay, but then like you only get like one sheet, so I just thought I would use it for this purpose so that I wouldn't waste it. Like I've been hoarding it, but like I don't know what else to do with it. So see, look how cute. And then this one is part of that collection too. Look how cute that cat is. Super cute. And then here's the last one. Okay, so that's that size. And then I also cut larger ones because I found larger sized scraps. So I made larger sizes just in case whatever I'm sending needs more space. So just using up what I have. Here's a cute strawberry one. I even added like strawberry polymer clay to the mix. This one's cute. I could add the little red flowers. This is the same mix. I just really tried to use up what I had. This one is real pretty too. This is, I think, from one of those kits as well where there was only one sheet. And then this is the last one. So I think I'm pretty well stocked when it comes to these shaker envelopes. What do you think? I'm gonna try to give some away to some friends so that they can also like have stuff ready made. The more that I can give away, the better, because then I don't have to have it here. Anyway, that's all I have to share with you right now. I'll talk to you guys next video. Bye.